Hi, today I'm for the Lenovo Tab M10 Plus, and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Discovery, the Google Feed on this device. So just we can see that the Google Discovery is activated in my case, and just if you want to turn it off, hold for a while your device home screen and then tap to home settings. Here you'll see show Google App Switcher. Just click once on the switcher to turn off this option. Now let's go back to the home screen, and we can see that the Google Feed is successfully turned off. If you want to turn it on once again, go to the home settings, click to the switcher to activate this option, and now we can see that we just successfully turn it on again. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.